Our intentions are to transform this area of farmland into something that's going to be incredible for wildlife. Kent Wildlife Trust acquired Furnace Farm in 2024, 140 acres of farmland, a mix of arable and pasture. And then in late 2025, we acquired 200 acres at Hoathly Farm, very, very similar landscape that's been intensively managed for a long period of time.
As the voluntary carbon standard for nature and climate, Wilder Carbon ensures that the project delivers real, verifiable impact. It's a model showing how voluntary carbon finance can help nature recover transparently, credibly, and in the long term.
We're working hand in hand with the local community to achieve this, with local landowners and parish councils and all different stakeholders. We'll be working with volunteers to do some citizen science work on the site to monitor the effects and the impacts these changes are having on biodiversity, so we can show that uplift that's going to happen over the next few decades.
Crucially, this is carbon not at the expense of nature. We require our projects to maximise biodiversity, improve habitat quality, and strengthen ecosystem resilience.
The transformation of the arable fields in particular, with the development of the vegetation, will help alleviate the flood problems that have been happening in this local area. None of this would be possible without Wilder Carbon. Those carbon units and the sale of them are generating funds to manage this project, to create this project. They'll be supplying the infrastructure to allow us to graze these fields. Low-level grazing that will allow the scrub to develop to lock that carbon away.
That gives our buyers and supporters the confidence that their backing is driving genuine climate action and restoring nature at scale.
It's going to be an absolute utopia for wildlife.